Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by registering an Azure AD application and granting it the presence permission. Once done, copy the client ID, tenant ID, and the client secret. You will need them for authentication. Make sure an admin provides consent for presence. Read-write. Also, the app can update presence without a user interactive sign-in. Next, record the required OAuth endpoints and create a small service principal. This prepares you to acquire tokens and automate presence updates immediately. You will build a lightweight daemon or Azure function that requests an access token using the client credentials flow, with the app's client ID, secret, and tenant. Once you have a token, call the Microsoft Graph Presence / set presence endpoint for the user or service account and specify activity available and status available. Make sure the request repeats on a timer. Schedule it every 4 to 5 minutes. This regular heartbeat prevents teams from switching to away because Graph receives continual presence updates. Deploy your daemon as a Windows service, Azure function, or container and store secrets in Key Vault or a secure store. Once deployed, monitor logs for 401/403 errors and rotate the client secret before it expires. Make sure token refresh is handled automatically and that the app identity matches the team's account you intend to keep available. If you see permission or Graph API failures, reconsent the app and verify roles. As a last resort, temporarily use a hardware or software activity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.